Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale customer support with Zendesk, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by assessing your current customer support needs and challenges. Identify the volume of support requests you're handling. Analyze common customer queries to streamline your approach. Sign up for a Zendesk account if you haven't already. Familiarize yourself with the Zendesk dashboard and its features. Set up your support channels by integrating email, chat, and social media. Customize your support forms for better information capture. Implement automated responses for frequently asked questions. Explore the ticketing system to manage customer inquiries effectively. Create triggers and automations to route tickets to the appropriate agents. Use Zendesk's knowledge base feature to build a self-service portal. Encourage customers to utilize the Help Center for common issues. Train your support team on using Zendesk tools and workflows. Utilize reporting features to monitor support team performance. Analyze metrics such as ticket resolution time and customer satisfaction. Gather feedback from your customers to improve support services. Continuously update your knowledge base with new articles and guides. Integrate Zendesk with other tools your team uses for better collaboration. Utilize customer segmentation to tailor support based on user needs. Conduct regular training sessions for your support team on new features. Stay updated on Zendesk product updates to leverage new capabilities. Evaluate and adjust your support strategy based on performance analytics. Document standard operating procedures for handling different customer issues. Encourage teamwork within your support staff for collaborative problem solving. Seek feedback from your team about their experiences with Zendesk. Iterate your process as you learn more about your customers' needs and preferences. Aim for a scalable solution that can grow alongside your business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.